Hello everyone. Let us look at bookmarks and buttons. So I'll first make a page. Let's call this as bookmarks and buttons. So I first want to make a simple pie chart with my market and the sales value selected. Let me add a border and shadow as well. And next to this, we will keep a line chart where we'll keep our order date and our sales value like this. And we will also make a slicer with the order date. And let us use Format Painter to copy the same format. Now imagine you want to show two things to the end user. You want to show the complete data, which is what we have right now. And you also want to show the data only for 2022. Now, this means that every time you have to manually go and select 1st Jan to 31st December, isn't it? A way to do this would be to make bookmarks. So first I go to View and I select Bookmarks. Now the current state of the page where everything has been selected, I'm going to add it as a bookmark, and we can double click and we can call it All. Now I'm going to select 2022. And I will also select another bookmark. We'll call it 2022. And then a third time, I will only select Asia Pacific. And I'm going to add, and I'm going to call this APAC 2022. Now this means that whenever you want to toggle between the three, you can just click on these three bookmarks. Saves a lot of time because doing it manually would have required you to manually go and change the slicers and select all the items on the pie chart. Now you can just save the state that you want to present. You can also attach these bookmarks to buttons. So I can go to Insert and I can add a blank button like this. And in the button format, in style, we can add a text. So I'm just going to say that the text is all. Let's also add an action at the very end. And the action is a bookmark, which is the first one, which is all. Now we can copy and paste this. I'll make another bookmark. This is on the second bookmark, 2022. Let me change the text to 2022. And then one final time, we can also add the third bookmark, which is APAC 2022. And we can change the text into APAC 2022. Now remember, because we are authoring the report, if you want to test out the buttons, you will have to do Ctrl+click. But you can see it works perfectly. Once you have published it, the end user only has to click on the button. They don't have to press Ctrl+click.